Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
One more time, yung mas malakas. Okay. Wait lang po, before blow ng candle si Mawea. Birthday wish po ni Mami tsaka po ni Daddy.
Wow, sumasagot.
Siyempre,
English.
In English.
Huwag baka tutuin.
German.
Kaalaman mo.
German naman. German.
Sana lumaki siyang mapagmahal sa magulang, may respeto sa kapwa. Ano sinasabi? Ano?
Siyempre, on behalf of McDonald's family, good health naman po siyempre. Okay? Pwede na pong i-blow ni Mawea ang candles.
1, 2, 3.
Ang dami ni Mawea. Okay, everybody say happy birthday, Mawea!
Happy birthday, Mawea!
Clap your hands naman for Mawea. Okay, kids, pwede na kayo mag-sit down. Eating time na.